Do you like this car as much as I do? This is the new model Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with lots of extras, because when you're buying a car like this, it's all about the specification. Now this one has the tilt and sliding sunroof, the £3,000 electric deployable side steps, detachable tow bar, and the all-important 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels. I will show you some other extras, but let's talk about what the car is fundamentally. So 2023 73 registration, VAT qualifying, which is quite an important feature for some people. Black styling package, under manufacturer's warranty. That's all the black detailing, the LED quad lighting system with the DRLs, front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, air suspension, there's the beautiful wheels, and you have got the red brake calipers. Front rear mud flaps, sun protection glass, there's the side steps, which make a massive difference because there's a lot of money worth. But then you've got the full black leather interior as well. Now most cars at this level do not have ventilated seats, but this car does, which almost takes it to autobiography spec, because it also has a refrigerator under the centre armrest. Full black leather interior, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, digital radio. We also get features like adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. In the back, the seats are also heated. Meridian sound system, ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, and lots of space for all your friends and family. Now you've got the LED lights around the back. For me, it's the condition, it's the specification, it's the fact that it's under warranty, and it's VAT qualifying. Automatic tailgate, I did mention you have got the detachable tow bar with this car, as you can see from here. But when you press this button, the boot lid opens up, and you've got yourself a massive boot as well. The condition in the boot, as you can see, is brilliant. Seats go down 40-40-20. Down the side of the car, you'll notice there's no dents, no scratches. And again, the door cards and the back of the seat are exactly the condition you'd expect it to be. You have got that beautiful dark chrome bezel, which starts off with the door cards, continues around the centre dash and the centre tunnel. Wireless charging pad. It's just a car that gives you everything. Great miles per gallon, more than enough power, and in this case, fantastic styling. This one's going to go live shortly. Every time I get one with the upgraded wheels, with the steps, with the fridge, sliding roof, and VAT qualifying, it never will hang around too long. And to get one in the triple black exterior called Santorini Black, which is metallic black, black interior and the black wheels. And then to finish it off, you have the black styling package. This is a very, very good looking car, fantastic SUV, and today with the live pricing, it's £80,990. If you like what you see, if you have a part exchange, you want a bespoke finance package, get in touch and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.